So how do we add a very simple player control to a game object in Unity? So what you need is you need a plane and you need a sphere. You can add your plane here and you can add your sphere here. You don't have to make any changes to plane, but you will add two components to sphere. One is which rigid body, because you need rigid body because you will add forces to this game object, and you will add game forces by this custom script which I added in here, new script, and I called it movement. So let's see our script. So this is what you need in order to add a very simple player control to a game object. So what we do is we define our rigid body here, which will be this rigid body. We get this rigid body in here. We just may call get component rigid body, and this RB value is now this rigid body. And I also added a speed value, which you can see here, which you can change it so your game object will actually move faster. So what else did we do here? Make sure you get this component in the start function of your script. So because we are adding forces, we have to use our fixed update. So what we have here is our horizontal movement, and what we have here is our vertical movement. And these values we get from here, edit, project settings, input, and there is our horizontal, there is our vertical. So you can see is horizontal is A and D values, and vertical values are S and W, which is already defined in Unity. Then we make our vector 3, which will be our movement, which will be our force actually. Then we make our x value. This is the x value of vector 3. In the x value we add move horizontal, in the y value we add 0, and in the z value we add our move vertical value. Then what we do is we add forces to this game object with this rigid body method here, which is add force, and we get our movement here, then we multiply it with speed. You can see all this code in the description below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.